Foni cyclone has finally hit the Puri coast. I'm here at one of the locations where you can see not just the kind of damage but also the force of the winds with which it is gushing into the houses, into the buildings, breaking almost everything that is coming in its way. Not just that, the trees will give you an idea of the force of the winds. They are getting uprooted from all the structures that have been temporary, are blowing in the wind with the force with which it is coming. There you see almost everything that is coming in the way of the winds is being blown away with full speed. The speed of the winds is somewhere around 200 kilometers per hour, and with that it is also getting in water, the sea water that is entering into the roads, into the streets, into the houses, and almost everything all around the sea coast. The sea coast has been completely inundated. The beach doesn't exist anymore. All that you see is just water and water everywhere. The sea and the Bay of Bengal water that has entered almost every building possible from every story. The kind of devastation is just a glimpse of what is happening on ground zero as this cyclone is making a landfall here in Puri, making it extremely difficult for any telecommunication to work. There is no power supply across the region, and with that the biggest challenge for the government and the state and the central authorities has just begun to ensure maximum safety of the people. But this is just the landfall that is happening here in Puri in Odisha. With camera person Tapas Berry, this is Manogya Loiwal in Puri, Odisha for India Today.